Hey guys, your girl Clar. So here I'm going to share to you all of my freebies that I got from Milk Love Heartthrob Milk Love Fan Meet in Manila. So without further ado, let's start. Actually, inayos ko na siya. And I got several. Inayos ko na siya because several na mga this is a sticker with store. And this is ito yung photo card. Yan, songkran. Ayan, kasi mag-ayos kasi ako and I want to share this to everyone. May naman, napansin ko mas konti siya compared dun sa unang fan meet or concert na napuntahan ko. Anyways, so this is ito yung keychain ni Mav Mav. Ito yung favorite ko yung keychain ni Mav Mav. Mav Mav, I love you. Then, meron dito, meron dito na parang ito yung, parang siyang sticker, pero ito ay screen sticker protector. This, Mav. Ayan. Then of course, itong favorite ko to, itong Pokemon cards. Milk Panza Boss Pain. So, partner niya si Eevee. Si Pikachu, si Lovey. Si Love. Then, of course, marami pa dito pero puro pebaka na to. Mas marami nung pebaka guys, napansin ko yun. Kasi sabi nila, mas marami daw yung fans ng pebaka as usual with that. Then of course, ito lang yung meron ako Okay, I have 3 banners. One is with Mav Mav. Then ito is Milk Love. Then, ito yung main banner nila. Ayan yung that's what I've got from the freebies from Milk Love. Fan Meet in Manila. Konti lang siya. Hindi siya ganun kadami. Kasi hindi siya ganun kadami katulad nung una kong the first time I experienced it though. So, that concludes this video. Bye guys!